The Vivo sub-brand iQOO has launched its new smartphone under Z9 lineup in China called iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 144Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with Immortalis G720MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM that can be extended up to another 16 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT-600 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,400 mAh battery, with 80 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Origin OS 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.72 by 75.88 by 7.98 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Midnight Black, Moonshadow Titanium, and Starlight White color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.